Hello friends, it's Running Kimono, and tonight I took myself on a date to the Home Depot. I was actually looking for some Scrub Mommy, Scrub Daddy products, and I was looking for that power paste because I'm obsessed with cleaning right now. I don't know if any of you are like that, but all I do is watch cleaning videos over on Instagram. But when I was at Home Depot, I didn't find very much Scrub Mommy or Scrub Daddy stuff, but man, I found a bunch of clearance stuff, and it's pretty amazing. Some of this stuff, you know, 75 82% off. My gosh. So the first one is this Safeguard liquid hand soap, and I'm going to show you all of the specifics here in a second. If you remember a couple months back, this was 90 cents over at Walgreens, and only a handful of you were able to get it, and it was like, you know, it was a rare one. It was like a unicorn. But Home Depot, if you're out and about this weekend, go and look for this. I found this on an end cap where they had a bunch of like pandemic stuff like masks and hand sanitizer right near the cleaning aisle. And it is this specific scent in fresh, this fresh scent. This was the only one that was $1 and it was tagged. As you can see, here's the tag, $1. I mean, it doesn't get any better than that from $5.88. So I calculate that as an 83% savings. So my gosh, guys, if you are out and about shopping this weekend, go over to the Home Depot and look. And here is the UPC. Now, I usually say go to BrickSeek and type it in, but they look for some sort of goofy internet number, which is not the UPC. I just tried and I could not get it to go. Maybe if one of you know how to do that so people can check from the comforts of their home. But at the very least, if you're at a Home Depot first thing tomorrow morning, or if you're, out and about bebopping, couponing, whatever, I would try and look for this, especially if you want these large hand soaps, because these are massive. They're 25 fluid ounces for $1. I mean, that is a really great price point. Some of them look like they got into a fight at my store, so I just got the nicer ones, and they even had some in cases as well. I didn't clear the store. It was mighty tempting, but at $1 each, I got a couple. Another item that's quite noteworthy that I saw on clearance was this Cutters, and it's a backyard dry repellent spray for like pesky bugs, that sort of thing. This was a smaller container, but it's condensed bug spray, and the original price was $4.97 down to 50 cents. And Cutters is a pretty good company, so I got a couple of these, and I was just delighted that like 50 cents each. So even for $4.97 for what I paid for this, there was only a couple left in the store, and we do have bugs in the back. So I was like, oh, I want to get them all. I think I got like 4 or 5, but like what a great little find today. So definitely walk down that aisle, and this was with the bug spray near like where they have the barbecues and grills, that sort of stuff. And here is the UPC for this guy as well. Now, I did look around a little bit because I'm seeing a lot of these clearance tags. And here's one that, if you guys like a joke, here it is. We have these Downy scent beads for $11. Some big savings there. Now, brace yourself when we look at the tag a little closely. Original price $11.97. They're going to let us save 97 cents on this. Absolutely not. What are they thinking? Put that tag away. It's embarrassing. Another thing I was seeing a lot on that end cap. So the cleaning section, it's on the end of the aisle. That's why it's called an end cap. Lots of hand sanitizer and gel hand sanitizer and spray hand sanitizer. I unfortunately didn't buy any of this because I have so much that I'm like, no, unless it's free, I'm not buying it. And a lot of us have been scoring it really cheap. And how I paid for all of this, because I did not open my wallet, I used my Fetch Rewards gift card. So I got a $25 gift card. I got $25 of clearance merchandise, got my gift card from items I've been buying in the last little bit, and it paid for it. So I didn't even have to open my wallet to even pay the tax. Fetch covered all of it. If you have not signed up for this app, sign up today, guys. Check out the link in the notes and use my referral code. When you photograph your receipt, $2. It's that great. And like this gift card paid for my little haul tonight. Like how great is that? So at the very least, try and visit a store. Unfortunately, you can't look it up. This is just clearance stuff. So maybe you could call your store. Maybe they'll help you. Maybe they won't. I don't know how great the customer service is over at Home Depot, but like, oh my gosh, guys, put this on the radar if you were looking for these big memes of this hand soap, because this is a fire deal. Good night, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.